Premium tools and services to consider. Buffer is a platform that allows you to schedule and publish posts for later. Some of its features include allows you to create and schedule your posts in multiple media platforms, including Facebook. Includes its own graphics editor to make your images stand out, and automatically adds content from across the web using iOS or Android apps. Price? Free. Paid plans start at $10 per month. Hootsuite is a tool to manage your social networks and schedule posts. It lets you monitor your audience and get analytics. Some of its features are social media interaction from a single dashboard. Lets you manage your publishing tasks. You can track engagement with analytics reports. And it includes support for Facebook ads. Price? Free, with premium plans starting at $8.99 per month. Post Planner. This tool makes posting content easy on Facebook and Twitter. Some of its features include a simple scheduling tool, shows you top performing content for any social media account, and includes a recycling feature. Price? Free, with paid plans starting at $7 per month. Likealizer is a tool that gives you an analysis of the effectiveness of any Facebook page, analytics information, and Facebook statistics. Some of its features are makes a report for your Facebook page with just one click. You can track your engagement statistics. And it allows you to monitor your Facebook pages, giving you detailed information to evaluate your activity. Price? Free. PageModo is a platform to help people create a Facebook social media presence with tools to engage followers. Some of its features include it lets you target your audience and measures your results. It helps you find engaging content and schedule it. You can create a Facebook page with a professional appearance, and it includes tools to create custom tabs and contests. Price? Plans start at $4.50 per month. Social Bakers Analytics is a platform that lets you access information of competing businesses and follow the general trends of the sector. Some of its features are you can compare the performance of your competitors with yours, generate detailed reports, and it lets you analyze your Facebook advertising campaigns. Price? Paid plans start at $75 per month. Facebook Ads Compass is a tool that generates a report that analyzes your Facebook ads campaign and lets you know which is working and which is not. Some of its features include it shows you the key metrics of your campaigns, and it compares demographic information from users to find out what's making you money and what's not. Price? Free. Share is a tool that lets you add buttons for other social networks to your content so your viewer can share your posts. Some of its features are optimizes your posts, and it's easy to use. Price? Free up to 1 million monthly visits, with paid plans starting at $20 per month. DrumUp is a platform to automate your marketing strategy to drastically reduce the time spent managing your Facebook pages using scheduling tools and mobile apps for updates. Here are some of its features. It supports Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn accounts. It helps you boost the number of viewers for your content. And it's available for iOS and Android apps. Price? From $19 per month. PollDaddy is a tool to create surveys to engage your Facebook fans. Here are some of its features. Includes 14 question types. You can watch your results in real time, create reports to share, and free text. Price? Paid plans start at $200 per year.